The Notes application on your iPhone is a much more powerful and productive tool if you use it the right way. For starters, I already made a video on how you can scan documents to PDF on my previous video. I'll link them up somewhere up here on my YouTube. In this, we will be digging deep into more features that you may have missed out in the Notes application and can get more productive. Let us dive right into it. Have you noticed within your Notes application that you are able to toggle between tags? And here's a quick way to do this. One of the methods is when you are in a document, you can use hashtag and tag that with a specific word like this. Or when you create a smart folder, you can tap on the plus icon and create new tags. By doing this, you will be able to add documents into this smart folder using these specific tags. It's a simple way of organizing your files within your Notes application. Another quick tip is, for this example, I will create a smart folder using the attachment filter and name it only scans. Now what I will be doing within this folder is bringing in all files that had the tag scans. It's as simple as that, and you can also lock this specific folder using your iPhone's passcode or Face ID. This is a very smart way of securing confidential notes. But there's a catch to this. Any locked files will not be able to search. Like here, if I want to search a specific word within a document, I can just search for it in my notes and get this file. Anyways, that leads to the conclusion of this video. If you like this, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and see you in the next one.